I've got a mystery box, so if you want to see where it's from and what's inside, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This little guy is Bandit, and Chloe's taking a shower, getting ready for school tomorrow. It's her second day of school tomorrow, and so she's got to be on top of it. So if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. Bandit, this is not a bark box. I'm so sorry. It's a box, but it's not a bark box. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Oh, but I get a kiss anyway. Thank you. So this is by the Dermstore, and I happened to see this on Sydney from Subscription Sisters had this, opened this, and I said, oh, that's a really good one. And holidays are coming up, so I need to replenish some stock for family presents. And there were some things in here that I wouldn't mind having myself. What? Shower spray. Okay, I'll be out there in a minute. All right, right on top, it looks like just a little sample of the Youth Eye Complex, just a little foil packet. But that's just right on top. Not a part of the mystery box because the mystery box comes in this bag right here, and it is stuffed. So let's see what kind of stuff it's stuffed with. Right on top by Dermalogica is their Dynamic Skin Retinol Serum. It is 3.5% retinol complex and squalane. It is 0.10 fluid ounces or 3 milliliters. And there we go. By Skin Medica is the Dermal Repair, that's 0.25 ounces. And this is for normal to dry skin. It's an ultra-rich cream with high levels of antioxidants, vitamin C and E, intensely hydrates to replenish and moisturize dry skin. Okay, you can use this twice a day, and again, 0.25 ounces. There's a lot of full size in here though. By Oribe is their Côte d'Azur Eau de Parfum. All right, it's their fragrance. It's 2 milliliters. Now, this is a hair care brand, so I'm not sure if this is for your hair. Here we go. Does it say? It doesn't say. Does have a very nice scent. They do make perfume for the hair. That's why I said I don't know. We have a hyaluronic acid microneedle eye patch, and each eye patch contains 1,254 dissolving microneedles, an advanced technology that delivers 4 forms of hyaluronic acid and key anti-aging ingredients. Upon contact, the microneedles form micropores, creating a passage for the ingredients. The microneedles, made of water-soluble ingredients, slowly dissolve as they contact the skin, resulting in an improved hydration and reduced appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, puffiness, and dark circles. I am 100% on board. You are going to massage it for 1 minute, and then you can wear it overnight or for 2 to 3 hours. All right, I'm on board. Tonight's the night, ladies. Tonight is the night. Now, I'm filming this on August 29th. So when you guys watch it, I'll have already done it. So I'll let you guys know. By SkinCeuticals is their Discoloration Defense Multi-Phase Serum, and it targets visible discoloration for brighter looking skin. SkinCeuticals, really nice brand too. And it has a synergistic blend of tranexamic acid, niacinamide, kojic acid, and sulfonic acid to visibly reduce the size and intensity of discoloration while improving clarity for brighter, more even-toned complexion. And you're going to use it twice daily, 3 to 5 drops to the face. And in the morning time, you're going to want to follow that up with an SPF of 50 or more. And so the next thing in here by EltaMD is a SPF of 46 face sunscreen. So I think that's probably close. It has niacinamide, transparent zinc oxide finish, and oh, we didn't look at this, did we? We didn't look at the bottle. Let's look at the bottle. Ooh and ah. I like that it's in a bottle like that because it's not as prone to sunlight breaking any of the product down. All right, and there's the EltaMD. By Murad, we have the Renewing Eye Cream. This is 15 milliliters, and does have retinol in it. So if you are sensitive to retinol, just be aware it does have retinol. It has hyaluronic acid in the form of sodium hyaluronate, evening primrose oil. It's ultra nourishing and hydrates and targets signs of aging, active peptides, and retinol visibly firm and minimize the look of lines and wrinkles. And it also reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. Yes, please. Yes, if I wasn't using that other thing tonight, I'd be using this. And that is more than likely full size for eye cream. All right, we have a little sample size of the Grande MD Lash. Now it can be a controversial product just based upon the product, what's in these types of things. So some people have had problems with it causing damage to their eyes. You have to be really careful to make sure it doesn't get in your eyes. I haven't had any problems with it, so I do use it, but some people do, won't use it because of that. By Miriam Cavito is the Sublime Gold Anti-Aging Hair Care infused with bioactive 24 karat gold luminous conditioner. This is 50 milliliters, so this is probably a deluxe sample, but it's a great size. And leave it on for 5 minutes. Active ingredients are bioactive 24 karat gold, wild olive tree stem cells, vegan keratin, moringa peptide, vegan collagen, organic argan oil, camellia oil, multivitamin B complex, betaline amino acid, and 5 trace elements protein complex. That's it. That's the ingredients right there. I'm on board. Hold on, put that aside for tonight. By Medicaid is their liquid peptides 20% complex hydrating peptide serum. This is another, I think it's a pretty pricey brand if I remember correctly. And it says it's a concentrated liquid gel hydrating serum to help soften the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And they recommend using vitamin C and sunscreen in the morning and vitamin A at night. And this is what's in this? It doesn't say. I mean, as far as what vitamin I'm looking, it's got sodium hyaluronate, panthenol, lots and lots of things. I don't know if this has either though. Not sure. By Jane Iredell is a eyeshadow in the color Sienna. All right, there's the packaging. And again, it's just a single shadow. So while it's a full-size single shadow, I would kind of put this under a deluxe mini. By Paula's Choice, we have the Exfoliate, which is a skin perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant with salicylic acid, so great for the kid, like a toner. By Unite is the 7-second detangler. I'm actually using this right now. I have a full size and love it. I think it does a great job detangling. By IS Clinical, this is a very expensive brand, is the Cleansing Complex. This is 180 milliliters. Innovative skincare. So because it's a cleanser, it's not going to be outrageous until you realize, like, no wait, that's just to wash my face. And then you'll be like, that's outrageous. I mean, I don't know what the price of this is, but I'm just guessing it's probably outrageous for a face cleanser. And it's gentle enough for sensitive skin. It has a balance of bionutrients, antioxidants, and mild resurfacing ingredients that thoroughly cleanse the surface and pores of the skin without stripping essential oils, leaving skin soft and smooth. And it's very effective for removing makeup. Okay, I'm good with that. They do say it's is excellent as a treatment step in professional facials, so I don't know if this is used in those or not. You know, if professionals use that. And then last is Obagi. Now this stuff is like ridiculously expensive. This is their Elastoderm neck and décolleté concentrate. So it's for this area. You can come here. You're going to go up. And I have this at home, so that's how I know. Like, I know it has, I think this is larger than the one I have at home. You're going to take this and you're going to turn it, and then you're going to squeeze it, and the product's going to come out on this, and then you're going to just roll it up. And I don't have anything on there right now, but yeah, this is 2 fluid ounces, so it's a good size. I think this is bigger than the one that I got previously too. All right, well, that is my mystery bag from the Dermstore. I don't know if it's still available. It was pricey, but I did get it for a percentage off. So I think I ended up paying $146 for this. And it's definitely, the value is definitely there. Like, you're definitely going to get your value from this box if you decide that you want to give it a try. I mean, just that Obagi alone is probably worth more than the full price of the bag. All right, well, tell me your thoughts. Do you think that I got a lot of good items? Do you think, you know, that there was too many samples? I feel like there was some samples, but they're good size samples. And I'm gonna move that out, I'm gonna use that. But high end too, like some high end samples. Like this stuff is not cheap. And SkinCeuticals, not cheap. Dermalogica, not cheap. Oribi, not cheap. Even that Unite, like that's still expensive stuff. And the Jane Merido, that's, I think her stuff is a little on the pricey side too. And you know, we got this other little sample from, oh, this is that same brand. The same brand as the face cleanser. So it was just a little something extra on top. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.